Okay class. Today we are going to write a 3-page essay about your favorite Monsters University character. Clint. Was that you who just burped?
No. Okay, I burped.
That's it. Go to the principal's office now.
So Clint, why are you here in my office this morning?
I burped in class.
Oh my God. How dare you burp in class? That is so disgusting. You're suspended for 5 days. Go home now.
Clint. Principal Kate just called me on the phone and said you burped in class. Is this true?
Yes, Mom. It's true.
That's it. You are grounded for 5 days. Go upstairs to your room now.